Today I'm going to show you some two-handed flip kick combos using a redirect transition. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz Tricking, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the fourth set of combos for two-handed flip kicks, which use a redirect transition to do. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your third set of combos down for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Now, a redirect transition is basically just a broken reversal transition. So you land a trick with leg 1 followed by leg 2, you make an adjustment, and then you take off into another trick with leg 2 followed by leg 1. So the first combo is going to be a transformer round to a spin cartwheel hook. So you're gonna do your transformer round and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to step around and throw your cartwheel hook, finishing the combo in a backside stance. The second combo is gonna be a cartwheel hook to a spin transformer round. So you're gonna do your cartwheel hook and land in a backside stance. From there, you're going to spin around into a frontside stance to your transformer round, finishing the combo in a backside stance. Third combo is going to be a master scoot round follow through to a spin hand swipe hook. So you're gonna do your master scoot round and follow through to a frontside stance. From there, you're going to step around and throw your hand swipe hook, finishing the combo in a backside stance. And the last combo is going to be a hand swipe hook follow through to a spin master scoot round. So you're gonna do your hand swipe hook and follow through to a frontside stance. From there, you're going to step around into your master scoot round, finishing the combo in a backside stance. Now, just like I say on all these combo videos, you can start the combo with a spin or not. Like the first move of the combo, you can start it with a spin or not, and you can end the last move of the combo with a follow through or not. It's totally up to you since we're only focusing on the transition, which is a little in between of the two moves. So yeah. Now again, my biggest tip isn't really for the combos per se, just because the combos, the main things you gotta be doing is just focusing on the move that you're doing as you're doing it, and we already kind of know the moves. So my main thing on this is, again, just kind of a tip for the master scoot round. When you throw your master scoot round, sometimes it is difficult to get that round kick out, or at least like emphasize the round kick. So something that you can do to make the round kick look like more flashy, I guess you can say, is as soon as you take off for the master scoot round, you want to make sure that your round kicking leg is chambered right from the start. So that means, yes, bending that round kicking leg from the start until you're ready to actually kick it out and throw that round kick. And if you would like to work on some progression combos that will help you get these combos a little bit easier or better if you're having difficulties with them, you can go ahead and click on that tutorial right there, and that should help you out with these movements. Let's go ahead and check these out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. And if you would like to become a patron, please visit patreon.com/upraiztricking. Next, we're going to be getting into the fifth set of combos for level 2.4. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz. Dang, 2 in a row.